It's, see what time it is. About 7 in the evening. Got about an hour and a half of daylight. We're gonna see what we can catch. There we go. Ooh. Come on. That's really a big one. Yes, sir. That's right. So what is it? Huh? Swim jig? Swim jig. Yes, sir. Hey. Nest? Dang. Bro, it was 3 mosquitos in one spot. Hell, man. I swear to God, bro, it ain't just like Florida, dude. Hell, it's crazy though, bro. I ain't gonna tell you. I ain't even see them go on the back of my leg. They was just drinking. I had to go on forward. Oh, they jumping, bro. I saw him come out the water. Man, top water might be the go. Yeah, the live one. Hey, for real. So top water with your swim jig. Oh, look. Top water with the swim jig. Oh, he nice. Oh, bro. Oh. Oh, my God. Get him up there, man. What are they doing, man? I got to get closer. I gotta get closer. That's nice. I'm trying to. They doing that? Biggest one. I told you, I think they're gonna show up. Oh my God, my pole in the water. Oh my goodness. 3.5. Ooh. PBs, baby. Ooh. Oh. Try to go top water with the swim jig. Oh my God, now this bigger than that. Hold on, make sure they see the zeros. Yeah, 3-1. 3 flat on the swim jig. For real? Yeah. That's nice though, dude. That look healthy. We got some overcast, y'all. Y'all can see the clouds in the back. Appreciate that. Locked in on 3-1. There we go. The glamour size. On back home. Good one, dog. That's why we go. Second one already? There you go. We got a runner. We got a runner. Get up here. There we go. That's a nice one. Top of his noggin, y'all. Right on the top of his noggin. This is my biggest kayak bass for sure. Let's go, y'all, on the trick worm. I'm looking for a kayak PB, y'all. Get you a little swig. Decent. Might be a good 2. A 211. It's pretty good, y'all. I appreciate you, buddy. Get you back out here. Nice one, y'all. Let him do a little trick for y'all. Oh. Ooh. I ain't miss his ass. Get up here. Here's my 3. Damn, he just got off. Yep, here's my 3. Or another 2. Hey, he bigger than that 211 by an ounce. All right, y'all, 0. It's getting dark. 0's on the scale, y'all. I've been looking for that kayak PB. Hold on, 0. I tell y'all, the goal for every video, y'all, 3-pounder. 3 flat. I got my 3, y'all. Let's go. Nice one on the trick worm, y'all. I'll give you the same treatment. Appreciate you, buddy. Yep. Oh, I got off. Yep. Oh my God. Oh yeah. A little wonky. Hey, bud. Hey, bud. All right, so we're gonna wrap it up. Mosquitos are bad. We caught some nice fish. Well, Jalen got on some. Upcoming anglers, he caught a few. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed the video as much as we enjoyed making it. As always, tight lines. Love y'all. Thanks for watching. See how his back fans down? Yeah. They said if you shake them, they go up. Oh, yeah?
So just shake them before the picture a little bit. Kick them up a little bit. All right, but I appreciate you for coming in.